How to vacuum seal high moisture proteins using the Avid Armor A100 Gen 2 vacuum sealer. When vacuum sealing high moisture proteins, it's important to leave at least 3 inches of headspace in your bag so you have plenty of room for the air to escape the bag and the juices to not get sucked into the vacuum channel too quickly. The next thing that you're going to want to make sure is whenever you load your bag, you're going to want to clean up any residue or liquids that is near the opening of your bag. If you have a lot of residue, like chicken residue or anything, that can cause the bag to stick shut and you won't get a good vacuum when the sealer is extracting the air. So all you have to do is take a paper towel and wipe the inside of that bag to make sure it's clean. And then next, all we have to do, we're going to power on the sealer. We are using an Avid Armor vacuum bag, so our seal time setting of 3 is perfect. Open the lid. We're going to place the opening of the bag in that vacuum channel. Another important thing to remember when vacuum sealing meats is to try to expel as much air out of the bag prior to vacuum sealing as possible. This becomes extremely important when you're vacuum sealing things like ground beef, ground turkey, that there could be a lot of air pockets stuck behind the meat. So we recommend trying to expel the air, also flattening out that ground beef or that ground turkey really helps get as much air out of the bag as possible. It also helps for storing in your freezer. It creates a lot more space whenever it's vacuum sealed flat. So we'll go ahead, we'll place the bag in the vacuum channel, and then we're going to press start and hold down that lid. It's sealing the bag. 3, 2, 1. As you can see that moisture did start to suction out of that meat, but everything looks good. The seal is clean and consistent all the way through. We got a nice tight vacuum. Remember that when you're vacuum sealing meats, it's never going to become rock hard. It is still a meat, so it will still be pliable. It just shouldn't float around in the bag, but it still will be soft. And now that bag is ready for freezer storage.